इस रेसिपी को उर्दू में देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद लिंक को क्लिक करें। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू Asma's Kitchen. I am Asma. Today I am going to share really easy way of making khoya. Give this method a try and let me know your feedback. And for your assistance, there is recipe card in the end of the video. Right, let's get started with the process of making khoya. Firstly, you will need milk powder 1 cup and clarified butter 1/4 cup and it's warm. Then take milk powder in a wide-mouthed bowl and clarified butter is enough warm so that I can handle it, and add some of it in milk powder and mix it. And add some more of it and keep on mixing it. Now all clarified butter is in the milk powder. Keep on mixing it with firm hands and it will take 60 to 90 minutes to get ready. Khoya is a dairy product originating from the Indian subcontinent, encompassing India, Nepal, Bangladesh and Pakistan. It is made of either dried whole milk as I am doing or milk thickened by heating in an open iron pan and mostly used in sweet dishes. And it is lower in moisture than typical fresh cheeses such as ricotta. And it is really good in taste. And this khoya is almost ready. It needs some more of mixing. Now it's done. I'm going to dish it out. Now I'm taking it out in a bowl. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to share this recipe with your family and friends. Give thumbs up if you like it, leave comment below and subscribe Asma's Kitchen for more delicious recipes, and don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will be notified when I will upload a new video, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more cooking tips and tricks. Links in description. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching.